My first video on buying microfiber slippers cheap. So first I took a look at Amazon just to see what I could find and figure out how much they might be through Amazon. Basically, they're the same price, but you pay shipping, and that shipping really is not what it costs them to ship them. That's where they take their profit. So if I instantly sort this by low to high prices, and then take a look at some of the examples. See, if I go back up, you're going to see that there's the two-piece ones. There's a $6 for one. But if I go in there, it says it's $2.84, but there's that $3.99 shipping. And it's slow, just like AliExpress. So why the heck not get it on AliExpress? See how all of these have these shipping included? The only time it doesn't have free shipping is when it's basically still more than you're going to pay through AliExpress. Alright, here, let's switch around. Right after we take a look at all the other ones. Alright, there we go. So we're going to beat all of these prices. Let's move over to AliExpress. Instantly search microfiber slipper. I've been playing around with this. I like to sort them by low to high. In this case, I know that the price on Amazon was $4, and so I'd already poked around a bit. I can play around with a lot less. I'm going to see if I can get them as cheap as $2.25 for a pair, USD. I put this in US because I was shopping for a friend of mine. So again, sort it low to high, and then start looking. Now that I skipped past that first two-piece one there, that's because it's a different kind of microfiber. I'm looking for these frilly ones. There it is, one pair. So you see how it says pair instead of pieces? And there's no color choices, so there's free shipping. If there's no color and no variety, it's super cheap for them to just grab it and toss it in the mail. And so basically that's when you're going to get it cheapest, is when you have the least choice. So I got a pair for $1.65 US instead of $4 something Canadian. And there's the other one I liked. Those are $1.99 for a pair, and they have a slightly different build. But there you go. That's a quick way. You'll get them in a couple of months. It's all good.